Hello, my name is Paul Entrick. I'm the General Manager of Fish Gallery in Dallas, Texas. I'm here today to talk about how to clean aquarium forceps. Most aquarium forceps are steel. You're going to use them in the soil of your planted aquarium. You may use them to feed your fish. So there's different things that will accumulate on your forceps. Parts of the fish food, soil from the plant tank, whatever you're doing with your forceps in the tank. Just for a routine cleaning, you'll want to use just a soapy water solution. Scrub them down with a soft cloth. Remove any debris that's been accumulated on them. And then rinse. And you're good to go. If you do have some rust buildup on your forceps already, you can go to your local hardware store, purchase some steel wool, and give them a light buffing with the steel wool to remove the rust. And to store your forceps, after you've coated them with mineral oil, wrap them in a soft, clean, dry cloth, and store them with your aquarium equipment. This has been How to Clean Your Aquarium Forceps. Thank you for watching.